Assalamu alaikum, how are you everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to make invoice from your mobile. Okay, this app's only working for only iPhone. Hello everyone, how are you? This is Farooq Khan from your tech support. Today I'm going to show you um, invoice to go, this app's name. And if you have any shop or any kind of shop, okay, so you can make easily invoice on your mobile. Okay, so this apps will be only for apps store and for iPhone. Okay, so we just go to apps store. As you can see here, invoice to go, the app's name, and this app's link I will give you on description. Please find out. Okay, so this app's very good and very easy to make your invoice. Okay, so we just click to open, and as you can see here, I put just a name because I put my restaurant name. So you can change your company or any shop name. So just you need to go on settings. Okay, so here you can see company information. Just go in company information and then change your company name or anything. Okay, address, which country you are, phone number, email, as you want. Okay, so we just go back and then we go here home page. Then here first at all you need to add some items. Okay, so we go here items. Here you can see I add some items: chicken mandi, good food, hello, laundry, rice, whatever you want. Okay, so I'll show you one items, how to add items. Okay, so here you can see you need to put a name, example potato. Okay, example your cost is like 6 dirham, you will sell to 10 dirham. Okay, then save. So already you can see here the potato items is here. So we just go back, and then the another things is you have to save your client's name or address. So here you can see I save already 2 clients as equal customer. Okay, here I have 2 customer. You can add by here. You need to put his name or from your mobile contracts, and then mobile number and email address. Just put save, so you can make your customer. Okay, so this now I will go to like I want to make invoice. Click here. So no, I'll go home page. Then you can see here is writing invoice. Just click here. Here first you need to example you selling to who, add customer, example here. Then you need to add the items. Here you can add new items, or you can search which items you want to sell from here. Okay, so here example I want to sell potato. Okay, then I want to say then another I want to make another rice, then save. Okay, see you can see here already the item is here. So you need to add another items, example potato. So okay, so here you can see here I have 2 items, and then I'm selling to this clients. Okay, so here you can see it's only 18 dirham. If you other country, you can select, if you select the country, so they will put, if Dubai AED, if other country different currency. Okay, so here you can put, if you want to put which, how he will pay. Okay, so this one you need to save. Then you can see here, you can send someone to payment by online, and then more. Here you can see you can print also. Okay, you can print, you can copy, then you can export PDF, then you can sign also here. Okay, so many options you can see here. See the our bill, invoice Yalla Mandi Dubai, because I did not put the address whole. So here the clients, then how many rice, description, everything is here. It's okay with date. So dear viewers, it's this apps is very good. Okay, here you can see expense, clients, time entry, your mobile. This for iPhone and not for Android. Please, if you want to use this, for this is for iPhone. Okay, so here there is more feature. Then another, you can example, if you go here 3 dots, then you click invoice. You can see here is unpaid, paid nobody. Okay, because I did not paid any money. So here you see 3 customer I sell, but they did not pay. Example, this one. So this one, if you want to example, you must need to paid. If you paid, so it's not coming on unpaid. This one example, go more. You can email, and then print, record payment, copy, PDF. Okay, there is more feature. Okay, so here we go home. So if you new on my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Okay, thank you.
এই ভিডিওটা ভালো লাগে অবশ্যই একটা লাইক দিবেন, শেয়ার করবেন, কমেন্ট করে জানাবেন কেমন লাগলো।